Hello friends, welcome back to Cook Green Food channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share step-by-step recipe of sev. Sev is mainly used in Indian street foods like sev puri, pani puri and many other chaats. I prepared sev at home within 30 minutes without much ingredients. So let's begin. Firstly, I'm going to take 2 cups of gram flour. Next I am adding salt for taste, almost 1 small spoon, turmeric for color, again 1 small spoon. Now add 3 spoons of vegetable oil. Mixing all the ingredients using hand. Once the oil is completely absorbed by gram flour, I am going to add water portion by portion. I took 1 cup of warm water, adding portion by portion. Now we have to make medium soft dough. It shouldn't be very hard or it shouldn't be very soft. Gram flour becomes very sticky while you are making the dough. So if you are not comfortable using the hands, use the spatula. Now the dough is ready, however it is still sticky, so I am going to add 2 spoons of oil into this. While the dough is sitting, I am taking fry pan, adding 200 ml of oil and letting it warm in a slow flame. To make this sev or nylon sev or thread sev from the dough, I am using this multi-purpose pasta maker or chakli maker and using the smallest holes outlet, fitting it in. It's easily available in Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the below description box if you would like to buy. So the next thing is I'm going to grease with some vegetable oil inside this pasta chakli maker. This manual machine comes with 6 different outlets with different shapes. I use the same thing while making chakli at home. Both our manual machine and dough is ready. Using both the hands, I am now giving cylindrical shape to the dough. Now this dough should go into this manual machine. This machine still has some space left. I am going to add one more cylindrical shape into this. Close the lid properly. Make sure both upper lid and lower lid are closed properly. It's time to prepare nylon sev. Turn the uppermost part in 360 directly into the oil. This will release the sev like threads. 2 to 3 turns are sufficient as the sev will not cook properly if there are too much sev. Wait for 30 seconds to cook on one side and flip it on the other side. Please make a note of one point here. Oil should not be too hot as the sev threads are very thin. There is a high risk of burning the sev once you drop the sev immediately into oil. I actually turned sev into brown while making the first batch. Sev will be fried within a minute or so. So don't wait for it to turn brown or anything. Take the sev out from oil within a minute. I'm using kitchen towels and on top of it I'm storing this sev. We should not be storing the hot sev into the airtight container immediately because it retains the moisture and it won't be crispy. So wait for the sev to cool down, then store it in an airtight container. I'm making another batch and showing it here. Follow the same steps. Color of the sev is complete yellow. Because of the light you are not able to see it properly. I will show it at the end of the video. From 2 cups of gram flour, I was able to make around 6 batches of nylon sev. Nylon sev is very easy to make at home. As sev fries very quickly, it's mostly the preparation time you will be spending. If you have some half an hour spare time, you can make sufficient sev for whole month and use it as and when required. So friends, nylon sev is now ready. You can see the gorgeous yellow color here. Once the save is completely cooled, I am going to transfer this to airtight container. Also, I am crushing it using my hands. This will exactly look like store-bought nylon save. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.